Hello, teacher.
Yes, hello and good evening. Welcome back to our class.
Chào
So
teacher.
you did great in your homework. Yeah, that's a job well done. Okay, so how are you today, Anne?
I'm so good.
Okay, very good
I'm
because you
tired.
always feel good. And tired?
Yes,
Why are you tired? May I know the reason?
because I I study a lot of for my three tests in tomorrow.
So are you done studying for your test tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay, so
No,
what are
I'm
the
no teacher.
what? You're not yet done?
Yes, I always study histories and I have biologies and uh and 1 minute.
Okay.
Giáo dục công dân là gì nhỉ? Education.
Education. So you have a subject for education, physical education. Is that physical education?
Ờ, giáo dục công dân. Civic
What's
education.
what's that?
Civic education. I copy
Civic
for you.
education. Okay. So that's great.
Okay.
So I wish you a good luck for your test tomorrow. Okay, so what will you
Yes.
do after our class? Will you still study?
Yes.
Oh, wow, you're studying hard. Okay, so that's a good hobby because your hobby is studying hard. Okay, so anyway, how about the weather in your place right now, Anne?
It's so um it's okay. It's not cold and not hot.
Yes.
It's
Okay, so
windy.
windy. Yeah, same here in my place. It's partly cloudy in the afternoon, not too hot and not too cold. Just a normal weather. Okay, so now we will have a practice test for your listening skill. Okay.
Okay.
So here in part one, can you see
Yes.
my screen clearly?
1 minute. Okay.
Okay. You can see it clearly?
Yes.
Okay. So here in part one, I want you to listen and draw lines. There is one example. And if you got a perfect score, you can get 5 points. Okay. So let me play this audio for you.
Part 1. Look at Part 1. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example. Hello, where's Sue?
She's in the water with the dolphins.
Is she swimming?
That's right. She's swimming with the fastest dolphin.
She's very good. Can you see the line? This is an
No.
example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1. Which girl's Jill?
She's wearing a blue dress.
Oh, yes. What's she doing?
She's pointing at the dolphins and laughing.
2. Where's Paul?
There, the boy with the camera.
Right, I can see him. He's taking some pictures.
Yes, he loves dolphins.
3. I can't see Nick. What's he doing?
He's throwing a fish to the dolphins.
Where?
There, look, he's standing up.
Oh, yes. 4.
Look at Anne.
What's she doing?
She's shouting to her friend.
What's she shouting?
She's shouting, "Quick, look at the dolphins."
5.
Is May there? Yes. She's in the water with one of the dolphins.
What's she doing?
She's riding on its back.
Oh, I'd love to do that.
Now listen to
Okay.
part 1 again. 1,
Which girl's Jill?
She's wearing a blue dress.
Oh, yes. What's she doing?
She's pointing at the dolphins and laughing.
2,
Where's Paul?
There, the boy with the camera.
Right, I can see him. He's taking some pictures.
Yes, he loves dolphins.
3,
I can't see Nick. What's he doing?
He's throwing a fish to the dolphins.
Where?
There, look, he's standing up.
Oh, yes.
4,
Look at Anne.
What's she doing?
She's shouting
Oh,
to her friend.
What's she shouting?
She's shouting, "Quick, look at the dolphins."
5,
Is May there?
Yes, she's in the water with one of the dolphins.
What's she doing?
She's riding on its back.
Oh, I'd love to do that.
okay, teacher.
end of part 1.
Okay, so great. So are these your final answers, Anne?
Yes.
Yeah, you know, in the audio while listening, I can hear your name. Your name is in this picture. Yeah, Anne. But it's just,
No,
yes,
just a
but
girl.
it's different. Yeah, it's a girl and it's a different spelling of your name because your name is ANH, but this one is ANN. Yeah. Okay, so
Okay.
now are you ready to check your answers?
Yes.
Okay, so lines should be drawn between Jill and the girl in blue dress pointing at dolphins. Very good. Number two, Paul and the boy taking photographs.
And
Okay, that's boy.
Hoy.
It's boy. I'm sorry for that. Okay, for number three, Nick and boy standing throwing fish. Okay, great.
Okay.
Number four, and the girl shouting to her friend. Okay, very good. This is you. Okay, for
No,
number
teacher.
five,
Teacher
May and the girl.
M.
Yeah, AM, not M. It's
M. Teacher M.
AM.
Teacher M.
That's AM. That means other Meg. Yeah. Okay, so for
No, it's
number five,
AM.
yes, that's
Teacher
AM.
AM.
Yes, that's
Okay.
correct. Okay, for number five, May and the girl riding a dolphin. Okay, wow, great job. Because for this one, you got a perfect score, 5 out
Okay.
of 5. Okay, so for the
Yeah.
part two, I
One
expect
hour five.
what?
1 hour five.
Okay, so do you want to have a score like that?
No.
Yes, because you know you're so smart, so I expect every part that you will get a 5 points. Okay, so for this one, Anne, I want you to listen and write. Then there is one example. Okay, so for example, what's the girl's name? It's Jane Smart. So now for numbers 1 to 5, I want you to look at the question first. I'll give you 30 seconds to look at this one. Okay, are you done?
Yes.
Yes. So now let's listen to this audio.
Part 2. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, Sally. Tell me about your best friend.
Okay,
What's her name?
Jane Smart.
Is that Smart?
That's right.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1,
And how old is your friend?
She's 11.
Pardon? Did you say 11?
Yes.
2,
And what colour is her hair?
It's blonde.
Blonde.
Yes, like mine.
3,
Now, which clothes does she like wearing?
That's easy. She loves wearing jeans.
Jeans. Does she wear them every day?
No, only at weekends. At school we have to wear a dress.
4,
OK. Can you tell me this? What does Jane like doing?
She likes doing a lot of things.
Well, has she got a favourite hobby?
Yes, she loves sailing.
Does she? Do you go sailing with her?
No, I don't like it because I can't swim.
5,
Has she got any pets?
Oh, yes. It was her birthday yesterday and she got a parrot.
A parrot?
Yes, it's beautiful and it can talk.
Great.
Now listen to part 2 again. 1,
And how old is your friend?
She's 11.
Pardon? Did you say 11?
Yes.
2,
And what colour is her hair?
It's blonde.
Blonde.
Yes, like mine.
3,
Now, which clothes does she like wearing?
That's easy. She loves wearing jeans.
Jeans. Does she wear them every day?
No, only at weekends. At school we have to wear a dress.
4,
OK. Can you tell me this? What does Jane like doing?
She likes doing a lot of things.
Well, has she got a favourite hobby?
Yes, she loves sailing.
Does she? Do you go sailing with her?
No, I don't like it because I can't swim.
5,
Has she got any pets?
Oh, yes. It was her birthday yesterday and she got a parrot.
A parrot?
Yes, it's beautiful and it can talk.
Great.
that is the end of part.
Okay, so now are these your final answers? Kindly check the spelling.
No, teacher. Yes.
Yes. Okay, so how about sailing and parrot? Are these the correct spelling for these words?
I don't know. I think parasite. Paras. Parrot. Parrot. Okay.
Okay, very
Sailing.
good. What about sailing?
Hmm. 1 minute.
Yes. Okay, you can use Google.
I don't know. Sailing.
Okay, so it's okay. So four, let's check your answer now. How old is Jane Smart? It's 11
Uh,
years old. Then what's the color of her hair? She's blonde. Then what's her favorite clothes? It's jeans, and her favorite hobby is sailing. Sailing. Okay, and her parrot,
okay.
her pet is a
Correct.
parrot. Yes. So for this one, you got a correct score, 5 out of 5. Okay. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
I don't know.
You're laughing for nothing? Are you crazy?
I'm crazy and I have a lot of time.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So now, Anne, let's proceed with part 3. So what did Bill
Is
do
part
last
also
weekend?
difficult?
No, this is very simple. Okay, I want you
Good,
to
good.
listen and draw a line the date, the correct picture. There is one example. It's from Monday to Sunday. Okay, so let's
Part
listen
3.
now.
Look at the pictures. What did Bill do last week? Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, Bill. Did you have a good week?
Yes, I did lots of different things.
Did you?
Yes, on Monday I watched a video at my friend Tom's house.
What was it about?
Some dinosaurs that lived on the moon.
Can you see the line from the word Monday? On Monday, Bill watched a
What?
video. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
What did you do on Thursday?
Thursday,
Yes.
I went to the cinema with my brother. We saw a film about pirates.
Did they find any treasure?
No, they weren't very clever.
2.
And what did you do on Saturday?
It was Tom's birthday, so I went to his party.
Was it good?
Yes, we wore funny clothes there.
3.
But I was at home on Sunday.
Were you?
Yes, it rained all day.
What did you do? Did you read a book?
No, I played a computer game with robots in it.
4.
Tom and I went to the library one day.
Which day was that?
Friday. We went to see a clown who was there.
Oh!
He read us some stories. He was very funny.
5.
What about on Tuesday? Sorry, I mean Wednesday.
I had a cold. I couldn't go outside.
Oh dear.
It was okay. Tom brought me a book to read.
About pirates?
Yes, I love those kinds of stories.
Now listen to part 3 again. 1.
What did you do on Thursday?
Thursday,
Yes.
I went to the cinema with my brother. We saw a film about pirates.
Did they find any treasure?
No, they weren't very clever.
2.
And what did you do on Saturday?
It was Tom's birthday, so I went to his party.
Was it good?
Yes, we wore funny clothes there.
3.
But I was at home on Sunday.
Were you?
Yes, it rained all day.
What did you do? Did you read a book?
No, I played a computer game with robots in it.
4.
Tom and I went to the library one day.
Which day was that?
Friday. We went to see a clown who was there.
Oh!
He read us some stories. He was very funny.
5.
What about on Tuesday? Sorry, I mean Wednesday.
I had a cold. I couldn't go outside.
Oh dear.
It was okay. Tom brought me a book to read.
About pirates?
Yes, I love those kinds of stories.
That is the
Okay,
end of
teacher.
part 3.
So now, let's check your answer. What did you build last weekend? Okay. So Friday, very good. They went to the library and listened to the clown. Then for Monday, that's correct, they watched television. Okay, then on Saturday, they went to a party. Okay, then Wednesday, what did they do on Wednesday, Anne?
They reading a book about a parrot.
Okay, great. Then for Thursday, they watch a movie. Is that right?
Film in the cinema. Yes.
Yes, film in the cinema. Okay, so great job because you got another perfect score. So when will be the time that you will get 0 out of 5?
Okay.
Yeah.
Next exercise.
Next exercise. Okay, so are you sure that you will get 0 out of 5?
Yes.
Okay, so this one, I want you to listen and tick the box. There is one example. Okay, so let's listen now.
Part 4. Look at the pictures. Listen and look. There is one example. Where's Kim's comic?
Where's my comic, Mum?
On the table.
It isn't there. And it isn't next to my bed.
Well, look in your bag, Kim.
Oh, yes. It's here.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. Where does Sam's dad work?
My dad works in a shop. Where does your dad work, Sam?
He works at the hospital.
Does he? I'd like to work there.
I wouldn't. I want to work on a farm.
2. What does Anne have to buy?
Can you go to the shop, please, Anne?
All right, Mum. What do you want? Some bread?
No, I've got that. We need some cheese for our sandwiches.
OK. What about fruit?
No, there are some apples and bananas in the bowl.
3. Which is Jim's family?
Have you got any brothers and sisters, Jim?
Yes, I've got one sister and one brother.
Are they older than you?
Well, my brother's older than me, but my sister's a baby.
4. What does Daisy want?
What
you want-
for? Where for?
No, thank you, Dad.
Okay,
I'm
wait
not
me a
very
little
hungry.
bit. Ooh,
What about a drink?
ooh,
Part 4.
ooh.
Part 4.
Okay, so now
Look at the pictures.
what
Listen
happened? I cannot
and look.
I can't play. Okay, so now. So here, are you done answering numbers 1 to 3?
No.
Okay. How about number 3, which is Jim's family? Okay. So
Okay.
for number 1, where does Sam's dad work? Okay, it's letter A. It's in the hospital. Okay. Then what does Anne have to buy? She have to buy the cheese. Very good. Then which is Jim's family? Okay, this is letter B. Okay, I know that you just choose the correct answer purposely. Is that right?
No. I wrong this.
You're really wrong with number 3.
Yes.
Okay. So I will trust you. So now let's proceed with numbers 4 to 5. I want you to listen to this audio.
Part 4.
Ooh.
Look at the pictures. Listen and look. There is one example. Where's Kim's comic?
Okay, let's just listen to numbers 1 to 3 because
Where's
I
my
cannot
comic, Mum?
pause
On the
this one or I
table.
cannot forward
It
it to
isn't
number
there.
4.
And it isn't next to my bed.
Well, look in your bag, Kim.
Oh, yes. It's here.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. Where does Sam's dad work?
My dad works in a shop.
Cat wool.
Where does your dad work, Sam?
He works at the hospital.
Does he? I'd like to work there.
I wouldn't. I want to work on a farm.
2. What does Anne have to buy?
Can you go to the shop, please, Anne?
All right, Mum. What do you want? Some bread?
No, I've got that. We need some cheese for our sandwiches.
OK. What about fruit?
No, there are some apples and bananas in the bowl.
3. Which is Jim's family?
Have you got any brothers and sisters, Jim?
Yes, I've got one sister and one brother.
Are they older than you?
Well, my brother's older than me, but my sister's a baby.
4. What does Daisy want?
Do you want any supper, Daisy?
No, thank you, Dad. I'm not very hungry.
What about a drink?
Yes, please. I'm thirsty.
You can have some milk, but then you must go to bed.
Oh, Dad, I'm not tired. I don't want to go to bed now.
5. What's Jill drawing?
What's that in your picture, Jill? A rabbit?
Where?
This animal here, on the grass.
Can't you see? It's a kangaroo. Look, that's its baby.
Oh, yes. It's like a frog.
Now listen to part 4 again. 1. Where does Sam's dad work?
My dad works in a shop. Where does your dad work, Sam?
He works at the hospital.
Okay.
Does he?
Okay, so what
I
does Daisy
wouldn't.
want?
I want to
It's
work on a farm.
letter C. Okay, what happened here? Okay, so how about number 5? What is your answer here in number 5? Okay, this is letter A. Very good because you got another perfect score. That's 5 out of 5.
Oh,
Okay, so for the last one, let me check the time first. Okay, so this is the last
30.
part. Okay, so for part 5, I want you to listen, color, and write. So there is one example here. Okay, so let me play this one to you.
Why?
Part 5. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Would you like to colour something?
Yes, please. Can I colour the CD?
OK. What colour would you like?
Pink, I think. I like that colour.
Good.
Right. I'm colouring the CD.
Can you see the pink CD? This is an example. Now
No.
you listen and colour and write. 1.
Now find the waterfall in the picture.
OK, I can see it.
Would you like to colour it?
Yes, please.
Right. Colour the waterfall green.
Two.
Would you like to write something?
Yes, please.
Can you see the name of the CD?
Yes, it says Rainbow Island.
Well, can you see the words Peter and under that?
Yes.
Write the name Ben after the word and.
OK, I'm writing Ben now.
Three.
Now you can colour again.
Thank you.
Look at the tall boy. He's standing up.
I can see him.
Well, colour his scarf yellow.
Did you say his scarf?
That's right.
Four.
What can I do now?
Find the boy with curly hair.
Yes, I can see him. He's sitting on a rock.
That's right. Well, colour that rock blue.
OK.
Five.
What shall I do now?
Can you see the sun?
Yes, it's next to the rainbow.
Well, colour the sun orange.
Right. The picture's beautiful now.
Yes, I'd like to buy that CD.
Okay.
So now let's check your answers. For number 1, color the waterfall green. Very good because you were able to color it green. Then for number 2, okay, write the word Ben after Peter. Peter and Ben, very good. Number 3, color the taller boy's scarf yellow. Okay, very good. This is correct. Number 4, color the rock under the sitting boy. Okay, where's the rock? Okay, so maybe this one. Then color the sun orange. So where's the sun? Ooh, why you didn't color it orange?
Because I don't have orange.
Ah, yes, it's okay. So in coloring, Anne, you can go to draw, then you use the thicker mark so that you can color like this one. Okay, for example, orange. Ah, this is not orange, it's pink. I'm sorry. Okay, so let me erase this one. So this is just a sample in how you're going to color. Okay, you don't need to color it like what you're writing in Zoom. Okay, all you have to do is like this one. Okay, so that we can see it. We can see the object also. For example, yellow. Okay, so let's color this one as yellow. Okay, see? So that is how you're going to color. Don't use the pen or the marker. Yeah, because it will hide the object. For example, this
No,
pen.
teacher. Green.
Ah, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Okay, it's color green. Okay, let's color this one as green. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so that is how you're going to color. Okay, so now on, let's proceed with the last part. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so since we're done with the listening part, so what will we do? We still have
We
8 minutes.
I think I can have a game.
Yes. Is that okay with your mom to have a game?
Yes.
Or we can proceed with another lesson.
I think bây giờ học tiếp hay là học tiếp bài mới sau sau rồi lần sau học bài tiếp bài đấy sau hay là bây giờ chỉ như là tỏ một trò chơi. I don't know.
You don't know? Okay,
Yes.
what did you said to your mom?
I said to the mom is continue the new lesson or play game.
Then what your mom said?
Gì cũng được.
What? What's the meaning of that?
Gì cũng được.
Yeah, what's the meaning of that, Anne? Continue the lesson?
Whatever.
Ah, whatever. Okay. So now, if you want to play the game, did you prepare a game to play?
I think no teacher.
No, teacher. And teacher AM doesn't prepare a game also. So we can play the last game that we played. Would that be okay
Okay,
for you?
teacher M.
Uh, AM, not AM.
Teacher
AM
M.
stands yeah, AM stands for Audrey Meg.
Teacher I am.
Yes,
Okay.
that is correct. I want my name to be well pronounced. Okay, so now I'm going to ask you a question, and if your answer is yes, I want you to what? I want you to suggest the moves for yes. What are the move
Okay.
for
Cái
yes?
này ạ.
Like this, like
Teacher
this.
I please 1 minute.
Okay.
I keep the game.
After one
This
minute, yes?
this this try a thing and we can find it.
What's that?
We can describe thing and we can find it.
Yes. So I like that game. Okay, so it's you
Okay.
first, and I'll be the one to find it.
This thing we this thing okay we can use this thing to write.
Very easy. It's a ball pen.
Okay.
Is that right? Okay, so this thing, we put this one on our face so that we can look whiter. So what is that?
Right.
Yes.
It's mask.
No. No.
Can read again.
What? You
You
want me to
can read again.
Yes, this thing is we can put on our face after we take a bath so that our face will become whiter.
Okay. Mặt lạ dữ ra.
Okay, so this is it. What is this? Ting 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 ting. What is this? Oh my gosh.
Now 1 minute.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. Okay.
Okay.
Nourishing
Okay.
mask. No, it's not a mask. This one. Do you know this one?
Okay.
What is this?
Can dựng ra.
We put this one in our face so that we become whiter.
Skin care.
Skincare. Okay, so to be specific, this is powder.
Powder. Okay.
Yeah, powder. Okay, next. I am still because you never answered me. Okay.
Okay.
So we use this one to read books or to read it clearly.
I think glasses.
Yes, you are correct. So now it's your turn, Anne.
Okay. in the math lesson, we can use this thing to
Are you using Vietnamese translation?
okay.
Yeah,
We can use this thing to calculator.
to calculator. Okay, it can be a cell phone, a calculator, what else? A computer that have a calculator.
Okay, calculator.
Yes, because you said we use this thing to calculator. Yeah, you already mentioned. Okay, so
Okay,
supposedly you will say we use this thing to add, to subtract, to divide, or to multiply. So I can then.
multiply.
Okay. So next,
Multiply là cộng. Nhân.
we use this one. We turn it on when it's very, very hot.
Okay.
What is
This.
that? What's that? Do you know
Uh,
the name of that?
uh, robots make coal.
Oh, what's the English name for that?
Uh, 1 minute.
Yes, yes, yes. Try to search that one in Google.
Air, air con điều hòa, điều hòa.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, so what's the name?
Yes.
Air conditioner. Yes, or aircon. Okay, so it's
Okay.
your turn.
We can use this to see the time.
To see a time. It's clock.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, it's a clock.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so
Last
my
year.
turn. We use this one to see what happened inside a room where we are absent in that room. So what is that?
I think TV.
No. It can
I
monitor what people are doing inside a specific room without your presence there. So what is that? And I can see it inside your house.
phone
It's next to aircon.
camera. Okay.
Yes, a CCTV camera. Okay,
Okay.
so it's your turn now.
We can use this to put a pen or a ruler erasers on it.
Pencil
In it.
case.
Okay, teacher. Yes.
Yes. Okay, lastly, um, we can put food on it.
Fried. Fridge. Fridge.
Fridge. Yes, fridge or refrigerator. Okay, so
Okay.
so I'll give you the last turn for you.
I can write. I can write. No. We can. We can read the book and we say ha 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 ha. It's so fun.
What?
Uh, you can read this book in free time and make you fun.
It makes you laugh. So it's a comic book.
Yes. Okay.
Yes. Okay. So since it's already time and we will just end here. Thank you so much for joining our class and I hope I can see you on Friday. So for tonight you don't have any homework.
Okay,
Yeah. So
teacher.
bye bye and have a good night and keep safe
Bye bye,
always.
teacher.
Goodbye.